Good evening, my dear students. Today, our topic is part of speech. Whether you are in school, college, or preparing for any other competitive exam, you always see this topic, part of speech. So, there are 9 part of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and article. So, these topics are very, very important. So, फर्स्ट वी अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज़ पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच. पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच होता क्या है. स्पीच के अलग अलग पार्ट्स होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे मैंने एक सेंटेंस लिखा है, ही इज़ वर्किंग इन द फील्ड. सो यहाँ पे ही एक अलग वर्ड है, इज़ अलग वर्ड है, वर्किंग इन द फार्म, ये सब क्या अलग अलग वर्ड्स है और इन वर्ड्स को मिलाकर क्या बना है, एक सेंटेंस बना हुआ है. तो इसमें आपको पता है ही तो क्या हो गया, ही सब्जेक्ट हो गया. शी क्या हो गया, शी हेल्पिंग वर्ब हो गया. वर्किंग क्या हो गया, ये वर्ब हो गया. इन क्या हो गया, प्रेपोजिशन हो गया. द क्या हो गया, आर्टिकल हो गया. फार्म क्या हो गया, नाउन हो गया. तो एक सेंटेंस को मीनिंगफुल बनाने के लिए हमको ये सारी पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच को इंक्लूड करना पड़ता है, तब जाके हमारे सेंटेंस क्या बनते हैं, मीनिंगफुल बनते हैं. तो सब्जेक्ट, वर्ब और ऑब्जेक्ट, इससे भी मिलकर हम कुछ सेंटेंस बना सकते हैं. जैसे कि सब्जेक्ट क्या हो गया, नाउन और प्रोनाउन. ऑब्जेक्ट क्या हो गया, नाउन और प्रोनाउन. वर्ब पता है एक्शन होता है. लेकिन इन सब के अलावा भी तो और कुछ वर्ड्स होते हैं. जैसे यहाँ पे लिखा है कैट इज़ स्लीपिंग अंडर द टेबल. तो इसमें कैट क्या हो गया, नाउन हो गया. शी क्या हो गया, इज़ क्या हो गया, हेल्पिंग वर्ब हो गया. स्लीपिंग क्या हो गया, ये एक्शन हो गया. अंडर क्या हो गया, प्रेपोजिशन हो गया. द क्या हो गया, आर्टिकल हो गया. टेबल क्या हो गया, नाउन हो गया. सो इसमें ये अंडर, अंडर क्या हो गया, ये भी तो एक अलग वर्ड है ना, तो उसको कुछ ना कुछ तो नाम देना पड़ेगा. तो इसे क्या बोलेंगे, पोजीशन वर्ड. इसको क्या बोलेंगे, पोजीशन वर्ड या प्रेपोजिशन वर्ड. और ठीक है. तो और सेकेंड सेंटेंस में नीतू एंड मोहन आर प्लेइंग इन द पार्क. तो इसमें आप देखो, नीतू नाउन है, मोहन नाउन है. आर क्या हो गया, आर ये हेल्पिंग वर्ब हो गया. प्लेइंग क्या हो गया, एक्शन हो गया. इन क्या हो गया, ये हो गया प्रेप. इन क्या हो गया, प्रेपोजिशन हो गया. द क्या हो गया, आर्टिकल हो गया. पार्क क्या हो गया, नाउन हो गया. अब ये एंड भी तो कुछ वर्ड है ना, इसको भी तो कुछ ना कुछ नाम देना होगा. तो इसे क्या कहेंगे, कंजंक्शन कहेंगे. दो वर्ड्स को, दो नाउन्स को ज्वाइन कर रहा है. ठीक है. तो अभी वन बाय वन हम क्या करेंगे, एक पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच को समझेंगे. तो नाउन क्या हो गया, नाउन क्या है, पहला जो पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच है नाउन. नाउन क्या होता है, नेम ऑफ पर्सन, प्लेस, एनिमल और थिंग. इस दुनिया में जितने भी नाउन है, आपका नाम है, मेरा नाम है, कोई जगह का नाम है, कोई चीज़ का नाम है, थिंग्स का नाम है, तो ये सब क्या होते हैं, नाउन हो गया. ठीक है. जैसे कि यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है सरला, दिल्ली, मुंबई, कोलकाता, टेबल, फैन, चेयर, डॉग, कैट, नीतू, नीलू, मोहन, ये सब क्या हो गया, नाउन हो गया. ठीक है. जो सेकंड हमारा पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच है उसको क्या कहेंगे, प्रोनाउन कहेंगे. प्रोनाउन आर द वर्ड्स दैट वी आर यूजिंग in the place of noun. For example, when I have to say Mohan is dancing, so in the place of Mohan I can say that he is dancing. I can say he is dancing. Same if I have to say about girls, so we are going to use the she as pronoun. For example, Neelu is singing, so she is singing. And for non-living things we are using it as a pronoun. And when we are using they, whenever they are more than one person, so that time we are using they. For example, Neetu, Mohan and Sohan are going for a picnic. So when I have to write about them in a paragraph, Neetu, Mohan and Sohan went to picnic. They enjoy, Neetu, Mohan and Sohan enjoy a lot. So again and again I will not say Neetu, Mohan and Sohan. So in the place of all three name I can use the one word, that is they, to make the paragraph, to make the sentence more meaningful. Understood. And when we are using we, for example, Neetu, Mohan, Sohan and I, when I am also there, so that time we are going to use the we as a pronoun. Okay. So you understood the topic. Next part of speech is adjective. Adjective are the words that describe the noun or pronoun. For example, Ram is very tall. So tall is what? Showing the quality of noun. Ram is noun and tall is what? Showing the quality, describing the noun. So now tall is adjective. I like blue color. So blue is what? Adjective. Neetu is very intelligent. So Neetu is intelligent. The word intelligent is showing the quality of Neetu. So intelligence is what? Adjective. Okay, so words which show the quality of noun or pronoun are known as adjective. Next topic is verb. Verb means action, all the action work. For example, running, jumping, reading, sleeping, writing, all these action words are known as verb. Okay, next part of speech is adverb. Adverb is known as how the action is going on. For example, Ram is writing slowly, so writing is verb. And how he is writing? So he is writing slowly, so slowly is what? Slowly is adverb, it defining how the action is going on. For example, Neetu is walking very slowly, so slowly is what? Adverb. Happily, eagerly, so adverb mostly end with ly. So next part of speech is preposition. Preposition shows the position of the noun, and preposition words are like in, on, under, over, above, behind, beside, in front of. The all these words are preposition. For example, here ball is under the table, so ball is what? Noun. And where is the ball? It is under the table, so the under is showing the position of the ball, so under is what? Preposition. Cat is on the table, so where is the cat? On the table, so on is what? Preposition. Cat is under the box, so cat is under the box or in the box, all these words are preposition, it is showing the position of the noun. Next is conjunction. Conjunction are joining words, it join two word, two phrase or clause. For example, Nita and Geeta, so it is joining the two words, two noun. And for example, Mohan is thin but he is strong, so but is what? But is conjunction. So you want pizza or burger, so the word or is joining the word pizza and burger, so or is what? Or is conjunction. Okay, because i I can't go to school today because I am not feeling well. So because it was, because is conjunction joining two words or phrases. Okay. Next is interjection. Interjection are the words which show the sudden feeling or an emotion like joy. You can see here like joy, sorrow, excitement. So these are all conjunct interjection word, and always you can see the exclamation mark in this sentence. So for example, read the sentence, hey, what are you doing today? So this is what? Interjection word. Wow, you look beautiful. Oops, sorry, it was my fault. Congratulations, you have a baby girl. Yeah, I got your number. Also all these is what? Conjunct interjection word. Our last topic is article. Articles are what is defining whether it is definite or indefinite noun. For example, whenever we have to use the single noun, for example, car, book, teacher, when we have to talk about singular things, that time we are going to use the a as an article. For example, a car, a book, a teacher, a dog, like this. And when we are using an, whenever there is an vowels in the first letter of the noun, that time we are going to use the an as an article. For example, an apple. Okay, so here the apple, the first letter of the apple is a, and a is vowel, so we are going to use an as an article. Next is an idea. I is what? I is an article. How's the and we are going to use for this word? An elephant. Here we are going to use an elephant. E is vowel, again an input. I is what? Vowel, so we are going to use an as an article. And when we use the, whenever there is something specific or unique thing, that time we are going to use the as an article. For example, the sun, the door, the Eiffel Tower. Whenever there is any proper noun, for example the Taj Mahal, so that time we are going to use the as an article. So I hope you understood all the part of speech. Thanks for watching.